Hi friend, in this video I will show you how to make a RGB illuminated pen stand. So in this video I will show you part by part installations of all the component. So first of all I have prepared all the parts that will be required for this unit with the help of my 3D printer, and I will install one by one. So the most important part is the base ring. The base ring will hold the main neopixel RGB ring. So I have used only 16-bit RGB ring. You can use 24-bit or 32-bit RGB ring. So in this base unit I have installed the neopixel RGB ring with its circuit board, that is the controller. So for 16-bit RGB neopixel ring you will require 16 number of transparent pipe, which is also made with the help of 3D printer. So all the size of the pipes are not same, you can see, and I have printed it with transparent PLA so that during the time of lighting it will look amazing. So after that you have to place all the pipe accordingly. I have also created the base part, you can see. So now the build part is almost completed, and for this the entire unit will weigh not more than 30 gram. It is very light. So let's see how it works. So friend, this type of controller have about 72 number of settings. So as per your requirement you can adjust it. You can also make this component controlled by Arduino unit, but I think it is not worthy. So this small controller is sufficient to operate this unit, and frankly speaking friend, it's look amazing. So I think all of you have liked this video.